What's up, guys? Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to start this video off with the proof of us making $4,000 today day trading Tesla. This is my brother's account. We trade together. These are the receipts of our day trades today. We were doing options today. As you can see, profit loss, 4,000 profit today. And then he's gonna bring you to his Twitter page, which will show our group. And this is where we left off. So we're gonna head right into the video after this, and we'll explain how we made this $4,000 today and just a technical analysis of Tesla. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. It's Justin from Fruitful. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Just gonna play a quick song, 5 seconds to go today with the theme.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Okay, that's enough of that. But the reason I wanted to play it was just so that we could be, that's the theme, is walk it like I talk it. And what does that mean? It means, no bullshit. And so this is Juan Carlos, my brother, who is our co-founder and Chief Financial Officer, CFO. I am Justin, the CEO. This is his trading account today. Secured 6.57% profit so far using our day trading techniques that we teach in our course. This is my Twitter page. This is my brother Juan's Twitter page. Just so you guys can see, this is us. This is not bullshit. We're up, he started with $50,000 this week. Took out money to pay himself, and already up to 14,000 profit just this week. Okay, using our techniques. This is our website. This is our course. It's on sale. You also have to purchase our monthly access. This gives you access to the Discord, where everything goes down. Training, our orders, we give out sells. So like, for example, today I said buy Tesla 438, sell 440 half, sell rest at 449. So we're actually about to hit our day trade. The rest of the money gets set at a stop loss in the profit. So these are just some techniques that you're going to learn in our group. If you saw my yesterday's video, I talked about how we were testing the wall at 440, and we just broke through the wall at 430, and we're going to be testing 440 and even potentially testing 450 today, which we might do. The RSI is going to have to cool off. The stock price is going to come back down to the moving average. See if we can establish support again in the 40s, bounce off the 40s, and then I'd say maybe we could rally again to 450 at the end of market. If not, we probably might test it tomorrow. Using technical analysis, we can now see the next support levels are around 435 and 425. Okay, so right now, if you're in a trade, your stop loss should definitely be at 435, because if we lose support at 435, we're breaking back down to 425. The reasoning behind that is, you can pause it, read it. Stocks always test their resistance, always test their supports. So as day traders, we know that there's certain levels that are going to be hit, and that's also why people create these walls, because these are, day traders, swing traders, and also people who are shorting the stock, taking profit, essentially. The reason why I'm bullish on Tesla right now is we see that shorts are covering. And for those of you that do not understand what that means, what it means when shorts are covering, people are, in options, people are buying puts and shorting Tesla. So they don't want Tesla to go up in price. So that's why you get these huge sell walls and barriers at, what we have 450. We were battling, 440. We finally broke out. as you can see, the wall at 440 was a lot smaller, only 41,000. So that's why we were able to break that wall with relative ease. The bulls came to play today, and we smashed it out of the park. And so whether or not we're a bull or a bear, as day traders, as successful traders, you can't be one or the other. You have to be willing to be both. You have to be willing to be a bull and a bear, because if you're just going to be a bull all the time, you're going to lose money. And if you're just going to be a bear all the time, you're also going to lose money. So you have to be a bull and a bear, okay? You have to, understand that the stock price goes up, the stock price also goes down. And through technical analysis, we can, I'm not a magician. I was able to predict what's been happening the last few days just because I'm good at technical analysis, and it paints us a really good picture of where the stock price is going to go. So what's going to happen next, maybe it's going to happen live through this video, is that the Tesla stock price is going to come back down towards this moving average, test support at 440. If we lose support at 440, we test 435. Ideally, for the bears, what we'd like to see is the stock price to come down to 440, set support, reverse back up, and then trade sideways around 445. See if we can establish another level of support before we test 450, because there's going to be a huge wall here. As we can see, this morning the wall was 172,000. But the reason why I'm saying shorts were covering, because if we go to the next screenshot, the wall is 132,000. So that means the shorts were covering. The shorts were taking their shares from 450, throwing it at the wall at 440 because it kept getting eaten. Because you guys saw, today, stock price got above 440, went back below, went back above, went back below, and then finally broke out. We ate up all the shares at 440. Shorts were covering, made the stock price go down, because when people sell stock, the price goes down. When people buy stock, the price goes up. Shorts were covering, the stock price broke back down. They took the 170,000 that was at 450. They threw at 440 because the 440 got broken, and that's why there's only 130,000 left. So I am bullish on Tesla in the short term. I think we're going to continue to rally up, test 500, and who knows, probably even test the next level. After testing 450, we're going to test 500. We're going to have some resistance in the 60s. And then, if we can break out of the 60s, guys, we're going to be testing $500 Tesla all-time high. So, just be aware. Tesla has been able to come back down to its moving average, this purple line on the daily, but it is not yet at it on the weekly. So, just keep that in mind. I'm not a bear, but this price, in theory, for healthy, sustainable growth is going to crash at a certain point just to cool off on the, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly RSI. All of these things from the macro to the micro scale, all have to reset eventually. Okay, so as day traders, we are using the 1 minute, 1 day. Swing traders, we might be using the 5 minute, 5 day. There's a lot of things, and we'll be using the VWAP, the velocity weighted moving average, the 20-day moving average, the 10-day moving average, the candlestick chart, the RSI. There's so many tools that we can use to become successful traders, and hopefully through these videos you guys can start to learn. I was able to teach myself, so you could definitely teach yourself just through these videos. But again, if you would like more one-on-one training and more guidance, we are not licensed financial advisors. We are not qualified to give professional advice. So you should always invest at your own risk. But, our number one rule is minimize risk and maximize profits. If you go to our, beginner training, we have some rules and minimize risk, maximize profit. You can see that's one of our rules. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that It gave you some insight onto where Tesla stock is going to be going, and just to, not toot my own horn, but just so you realize, I know what I'm talking about. I'm not just some random dude. Remember how I said at the beginning of this video, Tesla was going to come down to that moving average. It did. So thanks, guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day.